Hey you, it's Katie you, and my hair looks like
Today.
Oh wow.
Oh my god, what is that?
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Oh my god.
I can't.
What is that?
I am disgusted.
So let's change that. And that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to smash that like button, comment, subscribe. You know the vibes.
You know the fucking vibes.
Bye.
Psych, you thought.
So I haven't yet graduated to like the comb with the blow dryer type energy that a lot of people with bangs have. I just have stuck with my good old curler, which has been with me before I ever even had bangs. But this is my favorite way of styling my bangs because I do think that that voluminous curled look is like so good. So I have two main bang sections, as you can see here. And I just go with the fat one first because the fat one sets the energy for the rest of your hair. She's the pack leader, she's the queen bee. So you gotta set her straight, or not straight, curl her, but you know what I mean. This, honestly, you kind of like freestyle it, but I just go in midway and then slowly unclamp, then release and continue turning the whole way through. So as you can see, it has already created like a little swoop-dee-doo.
Whoopie-dee scoop whoop poop.
Slowly unclamp, release, unclamp, release, unclamp, release. Funny story actually, when I first started getting into curling my hair, and that was when I was a sophomore in high school, I brought this to like a summer camp. These boys came to my room, just like hang out and stuff, nothing scandalous. They literally asked if I had a dildo on my bedside table. This is why we need sex education in schools, kids. My hair is like not very naturally wavy, so I can't just curl my bangs and leave it at that. I have to do the whole head of hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. The curling technique is pretty much the same. And I curl my hair in less than 15 minutes because I've been doing this since sophomore year of high school. Ever since boys were asking me if I was curling my hair with a dildo. So now I've done my full head of hair. As you can see, the bangs have already started to like ooh and a ooh
And I ooh.
That's like the worst way of describing it. Oh my god, it looks
I'm always flexing. Yo, bitch always texting.
funky, fresh 80s vibes. The first really basic way you can jazz up any hairstyle is the headband. Guys, can we please make headbands come back? Can we please give them their moment? Because scrunchies had their moments, bows had their moments. I just feel like they pair so well with bangs. What we do is we take the people who we want to showcase in the front, we yeet everybody else over the shoulders, let your hair go, boom, ba-bam. Funky, fresh, and cute. Let's switch it out. 3, 2, 1. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling.
The bandana is a very slippery and silky object, and she tends to, you know, slip off of our heads. So before you even pay attention to that bandana, the key is after you've separated your front pieces, you have to tie all of this. I prefer it into like a position where you don't have to interact with any hairs back here, so that they just stay out of the way while you tie the bandana into place. Then you take your bandana. This is my mom's because I'm a leech and I don't know how to depend on myself. You fold it into a diagonal thing and then you flip it. This bandana is so freaking silky, like. Okay, you match it up with the hairline where like your bangs start and you just tie it as quick as possible. And you double knot it. I don't even know if you can see this. And then you just pull the rest of the hair out. Oh, and if you're actually gonna wear this out, I think for extra security, I would recommend bobby pinning it. I would show you this except for I literally don't have any bobby pins because I'm a leech and I don't know how to depend on myself. Sad. Which one should we do first? The high bun, the low bun? Comment down below which one I should do first. It won't make a difference though. The low bun, she's a sophisticated number. I just group all my hair at the bottom. I like it level with my ears, and I just twist. I feel like pieces are sticking out in ugly ways.
That's right, it looks hideous.
Let me go check.
You're not gonna like it.
Yeah, she's spiky. We don't like her.
Told you.
Why the frick is there a straight piece? In order to conceal all the ugly like hairs that are... Oh my god. Please don't be acting up when I'm not looking. I did it.
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Always team up. We did.
And if you're like self-conscious about your face shape, I love tucking my bangs behind my ears instead of wrapping them into the back of your head, because I know that a lot of people don't like wearing their hair up because like it makes them look like an egg. The bangs, they do a little something. And now we're gonna move on to my low bun's sister. I really hope that she does not give me as much of a hard time as the low bun did. So the high bun procedure is pretty much the same as the low bun, except the location of the bun. Why am I explaining everything that is self-explanatory? Slowly bunch it up to the top, and then I just twist away. Oh, that was so much easier than low bun because I could see her. I hate this gap. It just looks unnatural to me. So what I like to do is pop the hair tie on so that it kind of fills it in. And then we have a nice top knot. Is that what they used to call it?
Beautiful morning, hear the sun in my morning bed.
Yeet! Should we do a gnarly bun transition, folks? Like I go like this.
What is she doing?
I think that worked. It clearly very much the did not. This is probably my most used way of styling my hair, and that is just the half up, half down. I love how it looks. You're having the best of both worlds. Like you're having your hair up, but like it's also down, so it's like double dipping in the best way possible. Make sure, once again, as I said for the umpteenth time in this video, prioritize your frontal pieces. Make sure they don't get caught up in the mess in the back seat. And then I'm just tying it. I like to pull until I get like the desired amount of volume. Definitely yet another way that I style my hair. Probably the most common, like most people in real life usually see me with my hair like this. And that is the end of the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are waiting for a sign to get bangs, do it right now. The worst thing that could happen is that like you don't like it and it grows out in 2 months. And who are we really seeing anyway? Like
Coronavirus!
Smash that like button. Comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I really love you.
Say it back.
I'll see you next time. Bye.